Hey everybody, let me show you what I got going on here today. I got this iPad 9 that screen, no image on it. It seemed like it was on because it would, chime when you plug in the charger. So it was on. So took the screen off to see maybe it's a bad connection, and you can see here if I zoom in, you can see something happened there on the connector. See if I can focus. So yeah, you had some type of short right there, short circuited. You could see that's pretty messed up right there. So yeah, something happened on the board, and then the board was hot as heck. Yeah. So this is gonna be a no-go. It's iPad 9. I mean, probably something it probably could get repaired, but it becomes an issue of if it's financially, does it financially make sense to repair an iPad 9 or a new iPad's going for about $350, something like that, the regular iPad, and even a used one on Amazon you probably get one for like $250, something like that. I just recently bought, I think, an iPad 7 for like $200, like new condition. So this is going to be a no-go, no repair on this iPad. That's what's going on right here, right now at PC 911.